How to transfer text messages from old iPhone to new iPhone. Let's get started. First, grab your new iPhone and open the Settings app. At the top, tap your name and make sure you are signed in with the same Apple ID that you used on your old phone. That's really important. Now take your old iPhone, go to Settings again, tap your name, then tap iCloud. Click on the option iCloud Backup. Make sure you have enabled for all these options, then click on the option Backup Now. Then you can hit back. Click on this option, See All. Make sure you have enabled for the option Messages. Likewise, click on the option Messages in iCloud. Make sure you have toggle on for it. After you customize these settings, you will be good to go. Now your iPhone have saved the latest messages and other stuff to iCloud. When you turn it on, your new iPhone will start downloading all the old messages from iCloud. It might take a few minutes, so be patient if you have a lot of chats. When you are at it, scroll down to Main Settings page. Click on the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Messages, launch it. Then make sure you have enabled for this option of iMessage. If it says waiting for activation, just wait a bit or shine out and shine back if it needed. Also check that your phone number or email shows up under Send and Receive, and that's it. Now your old text messages will start showing up on your new iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.